This was once a forgotten rust bucket, but today it becomes an off-road monster. One man saw potential, where others saw scrap. Rust everywhere, engine dead, suspension broken. This beast had no life left.
But legends are rebuilt, not replaced.
We didn't just take it apart. We tore it down to its soul. Every bolt, every scar, every hidden weakness exposed.
This isn't a repair. This is a power rebirth. We replace weakness with pure torque. This machine doesn't follow roads. It destroys them. Built to climb, built to conquer, built to never stop. We erased the past and painted a future in steel and shadow. This is no longer a Land Cruiser. This is a monster!
Under the hood, raw power. Under the body, unstoppable strength. Inside, pure control. Now we test the beast.
No roads, no limits!
Picked up for just $3,000, now transformed into a $40,000 off-road machine. They saw junk, we saw a legend waiting to rise. This is what passion creates.